Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still believe this is the end of an ABC correction. I think this move up is just part of a correction to this move down, and I believe over the coming months and probably even years, this is going to keep on trending down, making lower lows and lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out the previous lows. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. Switch back to the dollar index because I do prefer that one much better. On the dollar index, I do think this first push down is probably like a wave 1. I think this is an A, B, C, D, and most likely a wave E of wave 2, which at this point I do expect it to go up to at least a 50% Fibonacci retracement level before it ends this wave E and most likely heads down for this wave 3. So 1, 2, and 3. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can actually see the structure of this uptrend, the high, low, high, low, high lows. I definitely don't see any break of structure to the downside. I do not see it respecting any Fibonacci levels. I think the trend is up, and I'm still expecting it to go up to at least a 13.091 area, probably right about at the 50% Fibonacci retracement to finish off this uptrend. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, at least until we get a break of structure to the downside, I'm very confident that the trend is up, and I am for sure going to continue to look for longs on shorter time frames, especially at the end of ABC pullbacks. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame because we have a very nice end of a correction on the 1 hour. We got a nice impulsive down. We got 1, 2, 3 waves up for wave B. We got impulsive down for wave C. 3 waves down right to a Fibonacci level with a nice impulsive move up with a break of structure. That is exactly what I'm looking for an entry to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. Now, if this really is the end of an ABC, it will go up, it will break these highs, and probably go a lot further than that. We do have to remember that today is a bank holiday for the UK, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it will not go up. We just have to be a little bit more cautious today because not only is it Monday, but it's also a bank holiday. So we do have to be careful about false entries and false breakouts to make sure that we don't get trapped into a long trade. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.